it's Faye. Welcome back to my channel. Sorry if you guys hear laughing out in the background. My family is here chilling with me because I am injured. So just a quick update if you guys follow me on Instagram. I've been getting into longboarding and I had a really bad accident yesterday. I was going downhill really fast and I'm absolutely not familiar with my turns yet. So it was either fight the tree that I was gonna run into or flight. And I went into flight mode, jumped off, and I rolled my ankle really bad. It's like the lateral part of my ankle. I cried for hours last night because I was in so much pain, but I'm doing okay, don't worry. I'm leaning all of my pressure on my right foot. Let's just get this video done so I can actually sit down and rest. And also, before we get into the video, let me just sit down and tell you about this. Sorry for the mess in my room. I just want to shout out Doe Lashes or Doe Baby. As you can tell, I'm wearing these beautiful lashes today. Super flirty, super luxurious. These are Korean silk lashes. Doe Lashes and I got super close and we wanted to do a giveaway for you guys. No, I'm not sponsored. I mentioned this before. I am just such a huge fan of the brand and I want to show them my loyalty and how much I respect them. We will be hosting a giveaway. The first winner will be winning 2 glam lash kits. One for the winner and maybe for your friend or whoever, or you could keep it for yourself. I do not blame you. You're gonna get sticker packs and face masks, like the coverings. And the second winner is gonna win an $100 store gift card. Please support this brand and enter the giveaway. All you have to do is text Faye to 27091 and then follow me and Doe Baby on Instagram for the extra entries, of course. You can also like and tag a friend in the Instagram post that we post about this giveaway. Also share it on your story. If you're Asian like me, you will know the struggle about finding silk lashes that fit your eyes perfectly, especially since lashes like this that you can find on the market really cater towards Western eyes. Those lashes don't fit Asian eyes the best, at least in my experience. That's why you must bind. Okay, anyway, let's get into the video. The purpose of this video is just to see if these clothes fit nicely on my body type, my body shape, my body shape. Let me know which shop you guys want me to try from next. So this is the package I got in the mail. I wiped it down, don't worry. This is the first piece that I decided to get. This top reminded me so much of the bandana trends on TikTok. I'm losing my mind. Almost all the clothes I got were in size medium. I'm pretty impressed by this top actually. I love the color red. So this is a bandana styled halter top with very small spaghetti lace strings. Very minimal. Again, if you're one of my big booby girls, wearing a halter top like this gives like such a nice illusion. It doesn't really give us that like heavy triangle look. So that's one of the reasons why I went for this. I do look a little saggy, but that's because I am. I'm pretty surprised by the quality. It's not bad at all. I really like this top. This is the next piece and I love this color. You guys know me, I love lilac. This is literally the cutest tank with that 1-inch width strap. It has these 3 buttons right here. I totally forgot to shave my armpits. You know, my life is a bit messy right now. You couldn't tell. Normally I don't wear straps like this, so this is a little bit new for me. Super plain and simple. The edges do roll a bit, have a lettuce lace. I love how the straps just kind of hide that area right here. Sometimes we get a little bit of donuts and cookies right here that roll up. So if you want to wear tanks but you kind of want to hide that still, this is like perfect because the straps are so tight. Okay, I really want to try a skirt with this top for the next piece. I bought a bunch of skirts. Look at the coloring. This is like a periwinkle pastel blue with a little bit of that cream off-white yellow. And it has slits right here on the bottom, so that's pretty exciting if you ask me. Okay, now my issue is like having to put my legs through it. Okay. Okay, I got it. Look how cute! It's a little bit too long for me because I'm really short, 5 foot tall. This is how the skirt looks like. Of course, this is Romwe, so the fabric feels very thin, so you do have to worry for like underwear line and whatnot. And if you have a little bit more meat, which is completely fine like me, I feel like you can kind of see the silhouette of my belly button. But regardless, it is super cute and it is quite fitting. The sizes seem to run pretty true to like American sizes. Throw on some white sneakers and you have yourself a pastel picnic kind of day. Very, very cute. This is the next top and again I got it in medium. I love this green right now. It just reminds me of plants all the time. It has these like drawstrings right here where you can tie into a little bow if you want to impress. I do feel like it's a little bit tight on the boobies. You can kind of see that it's a little bit like suffocating, but it's not to the point where I'm like even though this has a little bit more restriction, it connects to this stretchy pattern down here that gives you a lot of elasticity. It just looks a little bit funny because my chesticles do come down to here. There is a line that divides the 2 types of fabric right across the under boob area. I think this is normally a crop top, I'm pretty convinced, but for me it like fits my torso perfectly. Where my shot is at. Oh my gosh, I think this is my favorite tank top so far. Tank top, tank top. It does run a little bit shorter because my chesticles kind of like take up the space like they always do. Either way, this frames the busticles so nice. I like how tiny these straps are. I love tiny spaghetti straps. I find that wearing white tanks like this really helps your body express its natural shape. So the girlies are definitely feeling confident. My shoulders feel cute for some reason today. My ankle hurts still. I'm definitely gonna wear this year round, so you can't stop me. I think I really like this because I appreciate how I don't have to adjust the straps. This tank is like perfect. It's not too high up into my chesticles. It's not too revealing as well, so I have just enough to tease. Imagine doing this with a broken ankle. Whoa, 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 whoa. So this is a medium, but why is it so long? Bro. What the hell? Oh! This skirt has a scrunchy thing on the side. Scrunch. Okay, so now if you scrunch it up, you can make it to the length you like. If you have a little bit more fun down here, you can get something to scrunch up. I have no hips, and the fabric of this skirt kind of just lays flat on your body. It kind of gives me like an 8 shape, but like we appreciate our body shapes. Okay, so the next piece is actually this halter top as well. Sorry for the weird way I have it on. So the back of this shirt actually has strings like this to tie it up. So it's a bit like a lacing. I'm not gonna turn around because I did a horrible job. Turning around takes a lot of work right now. It has this little painting right here. Kind of reminds me of like a yin yang sign, but instead it's a sunset with some waves. A pretty basic halter top, nothing too exciting. I like that it's like a gray. I feel like it's not centered, but that could be me. Big booby girls, take my advice. Halter tops, halter tops, halter tops. It's gonna frame your body more flattering. Nothing too exciting, but I'm excited. So good. So, ignore the saggy boobs. But I bought this set. I'm pretty sure you can wear this out. It's just kind of like a chill day, but it feels a little bit more pajama-ish. These are just shorts that are super stretchy and comfy. Comes with this cute halter top with this butterfly patch that is sewn on. It just has a nice frame to the body. Give you that little like, I'm very sporty, I longboard. Yeah, I do. Ta-da! I bought one in red as well. I cannot jump. I wanted to jump. Okay. This is very just chill. Nothing special except the colors do make a big statement. Getcha! This is a tank instead of a halter top, and it has this fake dragon right here. The dragon is not all that red. As you can tell, the color is a little bit different. But I love these shorts. They're a little bit more loose than the purple one. I think I changed the size. But this one, the shorts look like basketball shorts almost. That same cotton texture with a black lining on the bottom to match the drawstring. If you like yourself a little Asian flang, why not? Muffy hats, muffy hats. The next piece is this skirt right here. A red skirt that has this diagonal ruffle going all around with that same flare on the bottom. I look like a grandma. Oh my god. The zipper is on the side, and I'm noticing that all these skirts kind of have the same fabric, so it does kind of sit on your body a little bit too well. There's really no structure, so you do have to be wary of like the outlining of your underwear, etc. I will say this is probably my least favorite skirt. I'm not too big of a fan of the color. In terms of length, it's not too bad. It does go all the way up here though. I mean, it is cute. I can't hate. It's cute. Don't worry, girls can, you know? This is the next skirt, and honestly, I mean, it's to be expected, but the fabric is like a tablecloth. Okay, the zipper's on the side. I wanted to try one of these skirts out just to see how the quality would be. Here's a hack. When you have no one to help you zip, you go to the door, you hold it on my leg. The skirt itself is cute. It feels a little rebellious. It has a little cute flap in the front that creates a little asymmetrical lining. I like how it's not too fitting to the body because of this flap, so it doesn't like sit on all the lines you have. It's a very schoolgirl black pink kind of vibe. I'm just obsessed with the flap. It's kind of like a protection shield. Hello! I feel like my mom. Actually really preppy. If you dress it right, you can make this look totally retro. So I'm not too big of a fan of these stripes going across. They're gonna make me look wider and bigger because my eyes are like really focused on this. Kind of makes me look broader. I don't prefer horizontal stripes. I do like my verticals. We're giving horizontal a chance, and horizontal has to prove himself to us because we're team vertical. Look at this cute little peekaboo cut. People. This is cute. I keep saying that, but this is really cute. I'm like trying to fit my boobs in and my bra. This is a tie-dye bandeau sweatpants outfit. I love these sweatpants. They're so light, except that they're too light. They're bunching up at the end of my ankles. I mean, at least it hides my one kinkle. It's a tie-dye, but it looks more like clouds. The only sad part is there's no pockets. Again, the pants are a little bit long on me, so they give me like a jasmine kind of like illusion. The bandeau does feel perfect, but a little small. It does have a little bit of a stretch and a cinch. It's Romwe, so we don't know for sure if we're gonna get that cinch or not, but we do have a bit of a grab up here, which is really nice. This is definitely my second favorite piece because their clothing items aren't like the best quality, thickest or the heaviest. All feels like loungewear. It's the thought that counts. I got this orange tie-dye set as well, and these are just like tie-dye shorts. They're a little bit bigger for me, a little long. So normally they look like this, but I kind of just rolled in the top part to make it a little bit shorter for me. The shorts have a little slit on the side. And then here is just a strapless top. It's not as bandeau-esque. This one has a little bit more coverage and length to it. So it does kind of look funny if you don't show a little bit of tummy to see a separation. But overall, I really like this set. Why does my chest feel so long? She's getting old. I actually really like this. I bought my niece one and I got her the one in pink. Also, I really like this tie-dye because it's not too strong. I never really gotten into the tie-dye trend. I feel like I like tie-dyes that are a little bit more soft like this. I do be looking like a Cheeto though. So my next PJ shirt, I really wanted to get oversized t-shirts that I could just wear casually if I was going out or if I wanted just to put shorts under. It's a longboard. Turns out that this t-shirt I got, it's a little see-through. So it looks like pajamas. Fabric just kind of sits weird on me. I really like this cream yellow because it looks a little vintage and like washed out like someone thrifted it, but you can definitely tell that's not the case. I guess you can make it work if you tuck it into like light denim jean shorts. I have nothing much to say. It's just a t-shirt. Speaking of denim, I wanted to hit all parts of the spectrum on a Romwe, so I decided to get a pair of pants to see if, you know, it was up to standards. It looks a little small actually. I just got a light denim wash. They're not skinny jeans, they're a little bit baggier. They should be. I'm almost there. I've been eating too good. Okay, like I don't really want to, you know, like break this. I'm pretty sure I'll fit it soon, but not right now. Pretend. Just pretend. These pants kind of look funny, but they fit the legs kind of nice. Fitting jeans is always so tricky. Different brands, different places you buy them from, they all size differently. I feel like there's a possibility I can fit these, but not right now. Maybe if I size up, it wouldn't work. It's okay. There's always next time. I really got pajamas. Fell in love with the color and then they had dinosaurs on it, but I was like, whatever, I'll just get it. And it's actually really cute. These straps can be adjusted at the back, so like, thank you. This is my first time having anything dinosaur print. The only time you'll see me in dinosaur print. Sadly, you know the outfits I've been trying, the sets with a tank and a short? You'd think those weren't pajama sets, but they feel the exact same. In fact, these pants actually feel a little bit more sturdy and has a little bit more shape, so I'm a little confused. Ugh, they're missing pockets. Can we actually appreciate this part of the PJs for a pajama? Look how nicely shaped that is. It's a really nice scoop neck. I'm not complaining. Remember that shirt I wore earlier, that lilac tank? Well, I forgot. I got one in this nude color as well that matches my bra. Nice. And every time I do tanks, I always do simple. That's the only time you'll find me in simple clothing. I feel like this tank is a good transition into fall. Pretty simple, nothing much to say. I forgot to button it. Look at this! Cute scoop neck top. This fabric is very like sports athleisure. This is a nice top. I love these wire-like strings for the straps, except it's like rolling around a lot. I'm obsessed with this shaping. I hope it doesn't snap off. Wow, fits my torso perfectly. I love that. You can't tell this is from Romwe though, because the sewing right here and the way it's like placed and ironed is popping out, and you can tell the lining is just not it compared to this side. This side's okay. Please ignore the pajama shorts I'm still wearing. Like, pretend that's not here. It's a little bit lower cut, so keep that in mind. My foot is turning blue, so I'm a little concerned right now. I think this is in my top 5, especially if you have all your hair back. It's kind of sophisticated. I went for this t-shirt. Finally, a t-shirt that's not see-through, has a little bit more like heaviness to it, and it's super long, so I can like go out like this. But don't worry, I still got my dinos on. I like it. It's a good t-shirt. That's all I have to say. Linda. And this is the last piece. Thank goodness. Oh my god. This is the last piece. It is a set and I love this because I feel like I can wear this on my date nights with my BF because it's just like nice and you can lounge around it. You don't have to really dress up, but you look like you're dressed up because it is a set and it looks a little bit more together. It's nice and it's fitted and I like how it's like cinched on both ends. There's like this elastic on both ends so you don't feel like your girls are gonna like... It's like perfectly under my armpit so I can squeeze my tacos in. I can scoop my hamburgers in. And then this comes up where I can hide my potato chips. And that's all a girl ever wants. So that's nice. Well, that's it. Ever since I did my Polly Princess Polly. Ever since I did that video, a lot of you guys were like, you paid $45 for that. Oh my gosh, I can get that on Romwe. And then a lot of people started requesting me to try out Romwe because you guys wanted to see the quality or whatnot. I will say by far, Ballet Princess Ballet, they do have some hits, alright? But with all the pieces that missed, I feel like you don't have to go through that with Romwe because everything is just kind of the same already. That's my input on this. I know there's a whole debate between fast fashion and whatnot. I'm totally with you. I do invest my money and support brands that are sustainability. Just want to say that before you guys think that I only do fast fashion. Until next time, I'm sending